Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use the FWC 2026 Mobile Tickets app. So if you have FIFA World Cup 2026 tickets and need to access them on your phone, just follow along. First, download the FWC 2026 Mobile Tickets app from the App Store. This is the official FIFA ticketing app for World Cup 2026. Next, open the app and sign in using the same FIFA account that you used to purchase your tickets. Once you're signed in, tap My Tickets at the bottom of your screen. Your available tickets will appear in the section once they have been released by FIFA. If someone transferred tickets to you, go to the transaction section, find the pending tickets and accept or download them. After downloading your tickets, you'll be able to view your upcoming matches and ticket details directly in the app. You can also add your tickets to Apple Wallet or Google Wallet for easier access on match day. Keep in mind that screenshots of tickets are not accepted for stadium entry, and your entry QR code may not only appear a few hours before the stadium gates open. If your tickets aren't showing up yet, don't worry, FIFA may release different tickets at different times and you'll usually receive an email notification when they're available. So that was how to use the FWC 2026 mobile ticket app. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.